What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs in I believe like a 2013, 2012 Chevy Cruz all the way up to 2018, or anything that has the 1.4 liter. I believe the 1.6 is pretty similar as well, or the 1.8, whatever it is. But this one is a 2013 Chevy Cruz, and we're going to go ahead and change spark plugs because it's got a random misfire, and then I found that it was cylinder 3. I swapped the plugs from 3 to 1 and 1 to 3, and it chased the plugs. So we're going to go ahead and swap some plugs and put some new ones in it and see what happens. So let's go ahead and start taking the spark plugs out. So first things first, go ahead and get your hood open. Obviously get your spark plugs. What we're going to be doing is going to be under here. All you're going to need for this today is you're going to need a T30. I can get it to focus. The T30 bit, ratchet, obviously, pretty long extension, and a regular 5/8 spark plug socket, and maybe a flat screwdriver or a pick. So that's all we're gonna need for today. So first things first, you're gonna go ahead and start by removing this little cover, and you pull on the front, and then it just sits in these little tabs back in the back. So you just pull that off. I'm just gonna set mine up there. And then as you can see, you've got the T30. This is the coil pack that we're gonna be removing, and the coil pack connector. I believe that there's supposed to be like a safety on this somewhere, but this one doesn't have one, so it just slides out like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the T30 bits out. Just like that. Put these over here on a table or in a magnetic tray, and then let's see if I can do this with one hand. Pull it up from the side. Come on, and you pull it out, and there is your coil packs. So again, I'm just going to set these up here out of the way, and then as you can see right there, we have our spark plug exposed, and this is where the socket and the long extension come into play. So you just drop it down in here and break them loose. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll see if I can find a way to set you guys up while I pull all these out, and then I'll see you guys in just a second. So there you guys have it. These are the spark plugs that I'm pulling out. This one right here is our problem child. This is the one causing all of our misfires. This one was where it was originally, number 3, because it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just how I pulled them out there. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our new spark plugs. And they come pre-gapped, but I'm just going to double check that they're gapped correctly, and then we will go ahead and put them back in. So once you get all your spark plugs gapped, we're gonna go ahead and put them in, and we're gonna thread them in by hand with this, no ratchet on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So then once you get them all in by hand, go ahead and just get them tight with your ratchet. Now we're going to go ahead and put the coil pack back in. Hook the connector back up. Push the coil pack down. Grab our coil pack bolts. So, and there you have it. Then that just clips back in. The back ones go in there, and the front sit there. So that's how you change your spark plugs in Chevy Cruz with the 1.4 liter. If you guys found it helpful, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, has been Anthony, and I'll see you guys later.